Hello, 朋友们，大家好。Welcome to Lian's kitchen. Today, let's make chicken porridge.
This is Chinese style breakfast, and I will show you how to make it today. Now let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by washing the rice. We need to wash it 3 times. Then rinse the green onions. Save the white part of the green onion for the soup. Then we cut the green onion into small pieces. Now peel the ginger. We slice it and then cut it into strips. Now add the chicken in the cold water. Then add ginger, white part of green onions, salt, vegetable oil, and cooking wine. Cover and bring to a boil. When it's boiling, remove the lid and bring it to a simmer. After 10 minutes, remove the chicken. Now remove the onion and ginger. And remove the scum for the broth. Now add the rice in. Turn the heat back up and bring it to boil. When it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium.
If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Now shake the chicken while we wait for the rice. Make sure you stir the porridge so it doesn't burn. After 45 minutes, add the chicken. Mix the chicken in. Add soy sauce and white pepper. Mix well and it's done. Add green onion and ginger for extra fragrance.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. It is savory. You can taste the fresh green onion and the ginger. It's very good. The chicken cooked just perfect. This is Chinese comfort food that we have for breakfast. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。